Let's start with the basics. Select your clip and open the inspector. Click the diamond icon next to position, zoom, or opacity to add your first keyframe. Move the playhead, change the value, and Resolve automatically adds the next keyframe. That's how animation is created between 2 points. Now let's open the keyframe tray. Click the diamond icon here. Here, you can see all your keyframes across all your clips. You can move them, stretch them, or delete them from here. For more precision, open the keyframe editor. Click the icon here next to Sound Library on the top left of your screen. This shows you the motion curves for your animation. This is where you shape the speed and smoothness of your movement. Select all the keyframes and click this icon. Here you can see ease options. Select as per your requirements. Easing makes your movement look smooth and natural. These are a bunch of different options for the keyframe editor window. Here's a comparison. Left is linear, right is ease in, and center is ease out. Notice how much better the eased animation feels. If you're animating multiple parameters, stay organized. Color code keyframes or rename clips for easier tracking. When you combine the keyframe tray and the keyframe editor, you get complete control over your motion. No more stiff or jerky animation. Just smooth, professional movement every time. If this helped you, hit the like button. Subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tutorials.